The new tax rates are 0 to 3 lakh, nil. 3 to 6 lakhs, 5%. 6 to 9 lakhs, 10%. 9 to 12 lakh, 15%. 12 to 15 lakhs, 20%. And above 15 lakhs, 30%. This will provide major relief to all taxpayers in the new regime. An individual with an annual income of 9 lakhs will be required to pay only 45,000 rupees. This is only 5% of his or her income.
The one question before every union budget always is, will the finance minister lower income tax rates? And what bothers the middle class soon after the budget is that there is never enough in the budget speech for them. Well, this could change this time around, and for the better, especially if you are in the sub 5 lakh rupee tax bracket. Reports indicate that a revision of tax rates in the new tax regime is likely to be announced in the upcoming budget on 23rd of July. And that could mean good news for those who are earning up to 5 lakh rupees and opting for the new tax regime. Why this time? Well, inflation and unemployment concerns could become budget priorities, and in an effort to boost consumption to add to the GDP, government will look to lower the tax rates. But the downside is the government's fiscal deficit target, so it will need to collect more taxes as revenue, but perhaps not from the lower income group. Remember, in the new tax regime, for annual income up to 3 lakh rupees, there is no tax. For income more than 3 lakh up to 6 lakh rupees, the tax rate is 5%. For 6 lakh to 9 lakh rupees, it's 10%. For 9 lakh to 12 lakh rupees, it's 15%. And over 12 lakh to 15 lakh, it is 20%. A 30% tax rate is applicable on income above 15 lakh rupees. A key proposal under review this time is increasing the tax-free income limit in the new tax regime from existing 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. Now, this way, more disposable income in the hands of taxpayers will encourage them to switch to the new regime, and hence the net tax bracket will also widen, with more IT returns being filed, even though some of these would be nil returns. Now, some reports suggest that those earning over 15 lakh rupees annually may see some tax relief in the new tax regime, which is presently, remember, taxed at 30%. The 15 lakh threshold could be pushed higher, with more taxpayers paying 20% instead of 30% tax rate. What eventually comes out of Finance Minister's Bahi Khata could still be a surprise, and we will only know for a fact and for sure when the final blueprint comes out in her speech on 23rd of July.